Hi kids! Today we make a robot with building blocks. Let's start. Green, yellow, orange, pink. First of all, we pick two red blocks and pick a yellow block and join together. Pick two yellow blocks and join it. Pick two red blocks for your robot legs. Pick four yellow blocks and join it. Pick four red blocks and join it. Again, pick four yellow blocks for your robot legs. Your robot legs is ready. Let's make a robot body. Pick a yellow block and join it. Pick a orange block and join with yellow. And pick a yellow block and join with orange. Pick two orange blocks for your robot hands. Your robot hands and body are ready. Let's make a robot face. Pick a green block. Pick three pink blocks and join it. Pick a green block and join with pink. And pick a red block. Let's make your robot eyes and a mouth. Eyes, mouth. Your robot is ready.